Okay, this is how you add a digital item to your Squarespace shop. So first, what you need to do is go to Pages and create the item. If you've already created one, you can just go to that little settings wheel and duplicate the page. And go in, just create whatever have the link to download, add the video by just hovering over, clicking the plus, clicking video, and then adding in the URL. And then once you're done with that, set the page as private. We're going to make all of our pages have the same password for ease of use. And you'll know it's private by seeing that little, this little guy. So I'm just going to go in. My last shop item. Okay. So then once you have your items that are just pages, really, you can go into the shop and add a new item. We're going to do a digital, since it's a digital item. And then just add in the information. If yours does not look like this, it's probably in a new editor, so you can go back to the old editor if you want it to look like this. If categories are applicable, you can add that. You can also, so this makes it pop up like on the shop page, right? It's kind of like right away, but if you want it to be a little bit more down the page, not as obvious, go to additional info and you can add it here instead. Right. Then the price. This is the file. So this is what they receive when they buy the item. I want them to go to that web page I created. And so what you need to do there is just go into Canva or whatever and click here to view your purchase and then the password. Make sure you provide that for them as well. So you can highlight whatever you want, and then if you go to link right here, you can link the item. You can find the item link. Well, it's the URL that you created, or the title that you created. So you add that, apply it, download it as a PDF standard, and that allows them to then be able to click it. And then you're going to add the file. Make sure you add a photo as well. And then the form, if you want to, it should collect their email and stuff anyway, but if you want to add a form, you can. Options, thumbnail image is a good thing too. You could just use the same image if you want. If you want multiple images, you can upload multiple images here too. You can change the product URL if you would like. SEO so that they can find the image or the product. And then social, if you want to change that, you can. Then make sure you click Save and Publish. It will only let you do that assuming you've added the file. So it's not going to let me do it right now. So I'll delete it. And so when they purchase, they will get that item, the download, sent to their email. You can also and I'll have this set up, but you can go to commerce, orders, oh, not orders, sorry. Customer notifications. This is if you want to change some global settings. I'm fine with all those. But if you go to, let's see, general orders, digital downloads, this is the email that they'll get. So you can edit that email. And you can add to the email. This is for all the orders. So if you have multiple like products, this is what they would get. So you can go ahead and add the password if you want. And then, so that download will then lead them to the page that you created.